what's up guys, Mike again from Sound of Tri-State. I'm here with the 2024 Ford Transit. Just wanted to show you guys, we got the factory radio removed, and I wanted to show you guys why this is so unique and such a good amount of work to be able to fit what we're doing in this vehicle. So again, we're installing a Kenwood tablet style radio, so it's going to be a 10-inch screen, but the chassis of the radio is what's called a doubled in, so it's a large chassis. So there's plenty of depth behind the dash, but you can see right here there's not quite enough height for the radio to physically fit in. So we're actually going to modify this part right here. We're going to build custom bracketry to be able to mount the radio. The other thing when we do things like this, anytime we install a doubled in with a tablet, we like to set them back farther. So a lot of times when you use the original stereo kit with a tablet radio, they like to stick out really far. So we usually put a good amount of extra effort, and we'll be able to get the tablet really tight to the dash. So stay tuned, we're going to be working on this thing today. When I'm all finished up, I'll take a finished video. I'll go over all the features of the radio so you guys can see how awesome this thing really is. All right guys.